have this passion for sustainability that I wanted to integrate into the schools. And I knew that I had a hand in it, and I had the ability to introduce these sorts of concepts. It's just the way the world is going now. And I think it's very important that we not only try to keep up, but we are ahead in all those ways, even going as far as integrating it into our curriculum, with having the kids start to learn how to grow their own food, community gardens, and paying more attention to those sorts of things.
For the first time this year, we are having these small farms and gardens for our kids to learn where their food comes from, where their eggs come from, and the idea eventually is to have a much bigger garden where kids in the early years can water the seeds and the older kids will be able to harvest. This is sort of an overall idea of just getting the kids more connected with nature, but in a way that's very integrating into everyday life. So here we have some chickens that the kids can come and look after. We got some rabbits over here. This year at AEG, we are working on all of these different sustainability efforts to do our part in helping aid Chiang Mai's youth to understand a little bit more what our impact is. Another part of it is solar. So we are planning to install solar on the roofs of all of our campuses and eventually be fully run by solar. We've already put in a couple of EV chargers this year so that we can start to support EV vehicles as we're running a EV pilot program for school buses, and that should launch pretty soon as well. In addition to that, we are hosting more events that will support sustainability efforts. We have a golf tournament coming up, and portions of the proceeds will go to sustainability efforts in the south of Thailand and educating youth outside of AEG how to take care of our land and our islands a little bit better.
I feel like we have the credibility to push forward these really important new initiatives. And not only that, but if we can adopt them, we can share those resources with other schools. We can expand that and adopt that into the schools in Vietnam and Cambodia and other schools that we create relationships with.